At the National Museum of Natural History in Luxembourg, a special evening unfolded celebrating the flora of Ethiopia and its deep-rooted cultural and ecological heritage. Thierry Helminger, botanist at the museum, opened the event by introducing Odile Weber, who has spent years studying Ethiopia's remarkable biodiversity. His Excellency Ashit Tilahan, Ethiopian ambassador to Belgium, Luxembourg, and the European Union, followed with heartfelt words about Ethiopia's green treasures, from the iconic coffee forests of Yayu and the alpine peaks of Bale, to Ethiopia's leadership in reforestation and biodiversity protection across Africa. Odile Weber, a barium botanist at the museum, then took the audience on a botanical journey through Ethiopia, a country she has explored since 2013. Her presentation focused on the Galele Botanical Garden in Addis Ababa, a hub of conservation and research nestled in the Entoto Mountains. She reflected on Ethiopia's plant wealth, over 6,500 species, with 12% found nowhere else on Earth. This diversity, she explained, is shaped by geography, climate, and generations of traditional knowledge. She spoke of ancient agricultural practices, such as intercropping maslins, blends of barley, wheat, and rye, and the vital importance of preserving these resilient systems in the face of climate change. Weber emphasized the food security potential of enset, also known as false banana, a starch-rich crop essential to the diets of more than 20 million Ethiopians, yet still largely unknown beyond its native range. Her fieldwork, often side by side with children and locals, brought to life the way science, culture, and rural tradition are woven together in Ethiopia. From historic anecdotes, including Ras Teferi Mekonen's diplomatic visit to Luxembourg in 1924, to modern discoveries such as new rodent species and protected forest zones like Chingawa, she brought Ethiopia's ecological and diplomatic story vividly to life. The evening was held in collaboration with the NGO Regards d'Enfants d'Ethiopie, marking the centenary of Ras Teferi's visit. As Weber noted, the event celebrated more than botany, it shone a light on human stories, on resilience, and on the powerful impact of international cooperation in science and conservation. Her final message was a powerful one, that wild and agricultural biodiversity are not separate worlds, but deeply connected. From field guides and forest ecosystems to students and seeds, Ethiopia's legacy and its future lies in its living landscape. A story still unfolding, one plant, one partnership, one child at a time.